Alright guys, so starting my day off, right? Uploading my first, I guess I could say Q&A, not necessarily Q&A, but a webcam video. Might go to car meet or might just hang out with a bunch of Mustangs today, and this is not my room.
Oh, I'm just living it up. I got a whole clique choosing, giving it up. Like, oh, hey, what you doing, clown? If that's a lotto, bruh. Phony rappers from the city, hellin' follow cup. And I'm kinda busy, homie, in my own lane, running my own shit from my own brain. And the sherbet got me Lupe, kick push, cruising while we smoking stuff to Lupe. My reefer caused a fiasco. I drop a whole mixtape, call the shit Tabasco. I turn the bass up, sweating all the switches back.
Going on YouTube.
Shit, what's up? You got me shy, bro.
Fuck your bitch, bro.
I ain't talking about Apple. I'm talking shut up and yeast is chopper. You talking crazy on a verse so we can cipher and grapple. I'm my Happy Gilmore, so the money gon' trample. And need a million, trillion, wifey looking Brazilian. Oops, I spit flame, rap name Shawn Million. I go, now I can point at my stat. I do this 24 hours, can't Griffey a bat. I get my refit high grade, 150 a half. You haters is fuck boys, I'll give you a laugh like ha. On my weird shit, you talking like you do it, you ain't this shit. And boy, my city go dumb. We'll smoke another joint, let me ask, is dumb done? Cause the homie got dumb balls. Catch me on a verse, getting shifty as dumb balls. Bouncy as VC, go check my EP. Getting ass, all she want was a CD. I guess the music talk, don't it? Getting money, I just murdered my opponent. Oh, Lil Lacy go in. I'm boosting numbers, fuck you haters, I win. I got this retail, what the fuck is a bin? That's cool as cuz, where the fuck have you been? I let my hair down, tie it up and get me a trim. I dodge a hater, hit a hook like a chin. I snatch her up with just a Stevie J grin. I get a beat, write a verse, and I'm slamming the rim like, oh. On my clip of shit. On my clip of shit.
Spend some ass tires, bro.
Spliff paw, baby. Spliff paw, baby. Spliff paw. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This shit is loud. Are you done rolling?
No, sir. I'm
Hey, told that little bitch don't make me lose it. Hey, if you lose me, then you lose it. Hey, what I talk, bitch, I prove it. Hey, better use your head before you lose it, stupid. Hey, I'm about to lose it. Hey, do the dash, I'm about to lose it. Hey, little bitch, don't make me lose it. Hey, I'm out of my mind, I'm about to lose it. Hey, these niggas figured in they chain beat. He keep talking out his neck, we gon' hang.
You really ready to go to Zelda's tonight, bro? Fuck hella bitch.
Ain't that right, homie? Yeah. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, fellas? Ain't that right?
Then we gotta go to Palm Springs.
For what?
Yeah,